This method can help answer key questions in the field of 2D material device fabrication related to techniques to precisely locate 2D material samples in the preparation for later fabrication steps. The main advantage of this technique is that this is tailored to the development of small-scale devices for which finding the location of materials is more challenging. Demonstrating the procedure will be Chen and Kristan, research assistants and graduate students from my laboratory.
The fabrication process requires two prepared substrates. The first is backgated silicon dioxide on silicon with titanium and gold metal pad arrays. The second substrate is sapphire with a deposited layer of molybdenum disulfide. Take the sapphire substrate with the molybdenum disulfide to a spin coater. Spin coat PMMA to cover the top of the molybdenum disulfide at 3,500 RPM for 30 seconds. Then, move the sample to a hot plate and bake it at 120 degrees Celsius for 3 minutes to strengthen the PMMA coating. Next, prepare 50 milliliters of ammonia solution. Immerse the sample to separate the molybdenum disulfide from the substrate. Once the film has separated, remove it from the ammonia solution. Transfer the molybdenum